Hello class. Today we are starting our fourth chapter, that is place value. In this chapter we will study two topics, place value and extended form. So we will begin with place value. So what is place value? In a number, the place value or local value of a non-zero digit is the value of the digit according to position in the number. So basically what it is saying, suppose you have a number, suppose 123, and you have to find out the place value of 3, 2 and 1. So the place value of 3 will be the value of this digit according to its position. 3 is coming on 1's position, 2 is coming on 10's position, and 1 is coming on 100 position. So the place value of 3 will be 3 into 1 equals to 3, and the place value of 2 will be, as it is coming on 10's place, so 2 multiply by 10 equals to 20, and 1 is coming on 100 place, so 1 multiply by 100, the value is 100. So the place value of 3 is 3, the place value of 2 is 20, and the place value of 1 is 100. And you need to remember one thing here, that it is saying non-zero digit. That means the local value or place value of 0 will be always 0, because when you multiply 0 by any number, it becomes 0. So suppose we have a number 7289, and we have to find out the place value of all the digit. 7289, we know that it is 1's position, this is 10's position, this is 100 position, and this is 1000 position. So the value of 9, or sorry, the place value of 1, that is 9, and the place value of 8 will be 8 into 10, that is 80. Now place value of 2, 2 is coming as 100 place, so 2 into 100, it will be 200. Now place value of 7, 7 is coming at 1000 place, so 7 into 1000, it will be 7000. So very simple, you just need to multiply the digit with its position. If it is coming at 1's position, 10's position, 100 position, you just need to multiply the digit by its position. So place value of 9 is 9, place value of 8 is 80, place value of 2 is 200, and place value of 7 is 7000. Now we will solve a question based on this place value. My question is, write the place value of 26 used in the number 36268, that is 36,268, and find the sum of these two values. First, in this number you have a number 36268. You have to find out the place value of both the 6. Here we have one 6, here we have second 6, and we know it. When we will find out the place value of these 6, we will find the sum. So first 6 is coming at 10's position, this is our 10's position, then we have 1000 position. So 6 into 10, we know 60, and this is coming under it 1000 place, so 6 multiply 1000 is 6000. Now we will add these numbers, it will become 6060. Our given number is 36,268. 1 6 occur at 1000 place, so the value will be 6000. Other value will be 60. Now we will add both numbers. Now my answer is 6060. Now we will study what is expanded form. So basically, to find expanded form of a number, we need to break the number according to its place value, and we expand the number to show the value of each digit. You just need to find out the place value and you write the number by adding them. Just see one example. Suppose I have a number 85 and I need to write this number into expanded form. So what I will do, I will start right left hand side. So 8 is coming into tens position. So 8 multiply by 10. Now I'll make a plus sign. Now my second digit is 5 and it is coming at ones place, so 5 into 1. So this is my expanded form, 8 into 10 plus 5 into 1. My second number is 456. We'll start from the left hand side. 4 is coming at 100 position. This is 100, this is tens, this is 1. So 4 into 100, then plus sign, 5 into 10, then plus sign, 6 into 1. This is my answer. Very simple concept. You just need to find out the place value and you just need to add the digits. Now this chapter is very short and very simple. We will solve some question from this chapter. This is my exercise 4a. My first question is fill in the blanks. First part is in 20 kgs or 20 kilograms, the unit is blank, which is taken blank times. So in 20 kilograms, what is the unit? We have a number 20 and we have a unit that is kilogram. So my answer will be the unit is kilogram, which is taken how many times? 20 times. So my answer will be in 20 kilogram, the unit is 20 kilogram, which is taken 20 times. Second question, in a unit centimeter taken 5 times, the corresponding quantity is. Now here we are given a unit centimeter. Unit means single, that means 1 centimeter is taken 5 times. That means 1 centimeter into 5. That means 5 centimeter. So my corresponding quantity will be 5 centimeter. Now second question, in 24,673 the place value of 6. So 6 is coming under 100 place. So 6 into 100 will be 600. My answer will be 600. Second question, in 6439 the local value of 6 or the place value of 6. Here 6 is coming into 1000 place. So 6 into 1000. My answer will be 6000. Now question number 5. Read and write the following numbers in words and also in the expanded form. Very simple question. You need to read the number and write the number in words and also in expanded form. My number is 76,000. I will write this number into expanded form. So I will start from 7. 7 multiply unit ones, starting from here, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So 7 multiply by 10,000, then plus 6 multiply by 1000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 make no sense. You can ignore zeros. So my answer will be 7 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000. And how we will write this in words? It is 76,000. My second number is 40075. So first write this number. This is very simple. 40,075. Now I'll write this number into expanded form. Starting with 4, multiply by 10,000. Then we will ignore 0. Then we will ignore second 0 because 0 make no sense. Then 7 is coming into tens place. So 7 into 10. Then 5 into 1. This is my answer. So this is it. In this chapter you have a study how to find place value and expanded form of a given number. Solve some question from this exercise and ask me if you have any doubt. Thank you so much.